Video, I'm going to show you how I use my GPT tool that's right here inside of Chat GPT. You will need a Chat GPT paid subscription to fully use this tool. You can create the images once you get the prompts over in Night Cafe, and my link will be provided to you within this tool. So let's get started. The first button here, I'm going to click that just so you can see what's going to happen when I click it. So it says, I want to make a viral graduation graphic design today. Surprise me. Then provide 10 unique graduation themed graphic design styles with varying colors, unique styles, backgrounds, and poses. Lastly, create images immediately, then give me 20 new prompt styles. Okay, so we're just going to let that go and let it do its thing. While we wait for that to finish, I'm going to go to a new chat and I'm going to go over to the next button. And this one says, please create me an ultimate graduation graphic style design with standalone image, create individual mock-up images, then give me the prompts. Okay, while we wait on that one, I'm going to go to a new chat and click on the third button. This one says, let's make a current bestseller graduation graphic design. Give me the mock-up prompts, give me artwork prompts, then create the images separately. Okay, so it's giving me the theme for the bestseller. It's giving me the mock-ups, the artwork image prompts, the dimensions of what I need to print these in so that they can be sold as digital items. It gives me the pricing for my digital items. If I want to do custom actual physical items, it gives me all that. And it also gives me the link for Night Cafe. You can use my link and use their GPT models to be able to create your images faster. I love that particular tool when I want to get through making images instead of waiting on Chat GPT. Okay, so it said before generate the images, send the choices for complexion, race, gender, cartoon, or realistic, colors, hairstyle, special wording, typography only, or typography with image, and whether you have a reference image. I can reply with surprise me, and that's what I'm going to do. Surprise me. Okay, now while we wait for that to finish, because I don't want to keep you here all day watching me do this, I'm going to, well, if it lets me, I'm going to have to refresh that. And I'm going to go to new chat and I'm going to go to the last button. This one says give me 20 detailed graduation graphic design prompts with typography only and typography with an image. So you get so many prompts that you can use with my tool. You'll get a variety of so many different prompts here. And while we are still waiting for other images to finish, I'm going to take you over to Night Cafe just so you can see what it can do. And I'm going to grab an image right here that has one with typography only and then one with graphic. Okay, so let's go over into Night Cafe. In Night Cafe, I'm going to go over to create. I use the GPT image low. It produces great quality for me, and I use it so that I can test images and see what they look like before I may want to spend more credits making something different. Okay, so I'm just going to change, I changed that to a different aspect ratio, and I'm going to click create. They do have a free tier. Mine is paid, but they do have free options here. But to get the most out of it, you definitely will want to have a paid subscription. Okay. Try the other prompt. Hit create. Here's the first image. Look how nice that looks. And let's just wait for the other image to finish generating. And look at that one. Very nice quality. Looks like Chat GPT as well. Okay. So let's go and look at the other items we were waiting for. Here's the first one that we at first did when we asked it to create that ultimate graduation graphic style. There's the image. Here's a t-shirt. There's an all over t-shirt style. There's the stole. And here is a tumbler. Okay, let's go to the next one. Let's see if this was one we were waiting on. Yep. Look how nice that looks. There's the t-shirt, mock-up, and the PNG, what it looks like, what the actual image looks like. Okay, let's see if this was one we were waiting on as well. This one seems like it's still. Okay, now here is the last one. And we can always edit anything that we don't want or colors that we don't like. But these look pretty good. Created 10 images. And you can always swap these out for your particular graduate that you want image to be on there. So just because it has a person on it doesn't mean that's who has to stay there. Because for example, I'm gonna grab an image. Let me go over into my Mid Journey. Let me find a graduate. Let's see. Let's just take, we're going to take this image. And I'm just going to download it. And then I'm going to go back over into Chat GPT. If I can find where I was. Let me go back into my, this is the chat that I was in. And Maybe we can take this image. I'm going to branch into a new chat. And I'm going to ask it to use this image. So I'm going to just ask it to use that image. And I'm going to submit that. That's going to take a few more minutes to generate. So while we're waiting, let's just see what other prompts we got that we could actually go and use. And you will get the prompts with this. All you have to do is just let Chat GPT know that you want the prompts, and you will get all of the prompts that are used. Okay, let's see. I'm just going to take this prompt. And I'm going to take this one. We're going to take these over into Night Cafe. And then I'm just going to click Create, delete that out, and then I'm going to put that image in there. Let's just make sure that the settings are still at portrait, and then I'm going to create. I'm going to put the other prompt in that I just copied. The Create button. I did not put in any information. I just left everything as is because if you notice, it's a fillable prompt. Like you can put in the information that you need to be in this particular prompt. Not this one, but it's the previous one. Let's go back out to the creations. Look at that. That is so, I love it so much. And you can always tell it to change any of the colors and things that you may not want there. Look at that. So in that prompt, it was not a name or anything, but it went and used a name and the colors. I didn't fill in any of that, and it just filled it in for me, just since I was using it for demonstration purposes. But you can always swap out and put the name that you need for your graduate, and it will give you it with the person's name that you want. But look how great these images turn out. Okay, so let's go back and see if we got what we needed from the one we were changing her face. Okay, there it is. My person is now on this design. I love it, and grab yours so that you can love it too. If you want me to create anything else, let me know in the comments, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.